Okay, this is a GoPro test with my Hero 6, and this is 4K 60. I'm gonna tape the first thing I find. All right, this is the video test I'm doing for this GoPro. First thing I found is right here. I am gonna go with a dime. Let me zero in it, let me get the size, do a quick analyze. Not doing good on the sizing, there's multiple things in here. Okay, there's multiple things around. Screw the analyze. Let me get the VDI on again, it's shallow. But there's multiple things around, so wow, that's really shallow. 1.5 inches. I love this V3i because it can do like 1/4 inch intervals, and it goes like all the way to, I don't know, however deep you can go. So let's dig that. It's right there. It's really shallow. I doubt this is something silver or any good, but it's probably right here. I should have just used the pinpointer to make sure I'm in the right area. Go a little deeper.
Is the camera pointed the right way?
Yes, I got it angled up a little bit. We have a lot of trouble framing, so a lot of times it ends up being the crotch cam, which is just, we're not trying to, oh, this is not a coin? Oh my God, what have I got in here? What the? I don't know, I'm gonna go a little, there's rock or something in here. It's probably some priceless artifact buried, and I'm scraping the bejesus out of it.
I know what that is.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's a rock.
Wow, I don't know what this is, but I was going for, it was showing something shallow. No wonder it didn't appear like a coin. I don't know that there's a bunch of things in this hole, but I think it's, holy crap. Okay, there's something really big and really deep in here. When I was a kid, I think I remember there being because I went to the school, and I think I remember there being tennis courts over here. I was like, man, this doesn't feel, it's like sometimes when you haven't seen something for a lot of years, you're like, I think I remember it being different, but maybe it just doesn't feel right. There was tennis courts under here. This looks like asphalt, like it's very, or something. It looks like, I don't know, maybe that's like a decorative block even, I don't know.
They could have had it concreted out where you could play like basketball stuff on it. You know what I mean?
Well, I don't know what's going on. There's a chunk of glass. Wow. I didn't bring the right kind of shovel to go super deep, but I'm kind of curious. I'm going to go a little bit more because I've never dug here. There it is. We've got not a priceless artifact. It looks like, wow, that's really weird. It's a heavy piece of metal. I'm kind of bending it out. There's like concentric circles on it.
It's copper.
Yeah, no, doesn't it look like copper?
I think it is.
So,
it's corroded, it is copper. You see a little bit of green corrosion right there?
Now, what can we do to figure out if this is copper or not? It does look like copper, doesn't it?
It is. So
what we could do, we can use that, we could test the specific gravity by weighing it in water and weighing it out of water, and then taking the ratio of that and figuring out.
Right,
it does. It looks kind of like it's got some green, and there's a term for that. I wish I was a better.
It's probably a copper cap.
I wish I was a better coin collector. They have a term for when it has like a bulk. I don't remember what it is, like bokeh or something. Wow, I got to learn a new word, get my vocabulary higher here. But this does, yeah. I think this is copper. I'm actually going to hang on to this. This is a 4K 60 hertz video test. I'm just trying this crap out. Next will be a 1080p 60.